can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to talk about a plethora of things from Palace FTP, the Supreme leak that we have for week 3, and a couple sneakers here and there that should be releasing within this year and next year. If you guys do end up enjoying this type of video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Please don't forget to subscribe. It definitely does go a long way and it would help me reach my 20,000 subscriber goal by the end of this year. It definitely would mean a lot. I really do appreciate each and every one of you who come back and show love to the channel. Post notification gang, let yourselves be heard in the comments and you might be in the next video. I'm gonna start doing that again. Once you subscribe, make sure you send me proof on my Instagram that you did subscribe for a chance to win one of these Profound Aesthetics face masks. I feel like these are fire and you definitely don't want to miss out on this giveaway. It's gonna end within a couple days, but I will ask them if they want to send me some more so I could go ahead and send them to you guys. But with all that out the way, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. The first thing I want to talk about obviously is the Supreme leak, because that's probably going to be in the title just for you to get here to this video. But we are going to be seeing this Pat McGrath or Pat McGrath, I don't know exactly how you say it, lipstick. Hey, this is obviously for females. Like, I don't even think I'm gonna end up going for this shit. Like, I would end up buying this and giving it to somebody, and what I do with my accessories is literally put them all over behind me. You can't really see too many of them. I just stack my accessories pretty much, and I feel like this one right here is something that I don't really want to go for because it's not my cup of tea, bro. Like, for me, what would I do with this? This is probably gonna be like $60. I did see that the packaging has like this little winding like portfolio closing string to it. High quality shit, bro. I feel like this lipstick is gonna go for like $60, and that is nuts, bro. Like, that's not happening on this side of town. No, it says Supreme on the front. The box is cool too, but like, nah, bro, no way in hell that I'm paying $60 for a lipstick. Like, I'm not even gonna be able to use it, period. So why would I even buy this in the first place? It's cool though if you are a female that's into Supreme. Obviously you might enjoy this, but I know a lot of females that don't even wear this color lipstick, so I don't know how that's gonna go. At the end of the day, that's the only item that we have confirmed for this week. Tomorrow I should have a drop list or something around that nature, so stay tuned for that. But that is the Supreme news that we have so far. While I was looking for pictures of shit to talk about, I did notice that FTP is dropping the Babylon collection, which is including YG. This is going to be coming out this Saturday, and the lookbook is going to come out Friday. If I have time, I would go ahead and film the lookbook on Friday, but I do have to work, so I don't know exactly how that would pan out. I'm gonna try and see. If you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments below. It would probably be a shorter video, but I would try to get it done. We have this FTP Babylon jacket, which is actually pretty fire. What I do like about FTP is that their prices are really affordable, so low-key you can go ahead and cop this twice before you buy a Supreme jacket. This is actually pretty clean in my opinion. I love the fact that it has the FTP with the Babylon right over it in red. It's just real subtle, real simple, and it looks clean. But the real money maker of this picture is the way that the hat is laying on YG head. Like, why is it so, like, bro, it's perfectly just hovering over his head. It looks like they tried to Photoshop it on his head and they ain't even know how to do it. Like, why is the hat up here with it? Like, bro, what is he doing? Like, put the hat on, bro. This shit is just like these. Like, bro, what the fuck are you doing? But hey, the hat is cool. Actually looks fire. I feel like once you bend the brim on it, it'll look clean, especially if it has like the little belt on the back. This is fire. I don't know if the glasses are coming out, but I do know that the jacket and the hat are part of the collection. We do have some Palace to talk about as well. There's a full drop list for Palace week 5 if I'm not mistaken, but I don't really want to cover the whole thing in this video. I'm gonna just talk about these 3 to 4 tees that I screenshotted. We got this Palace Aloha, like peace sign, cowabunga dude type shirt. This one's actually one of my favorites out of the ones that I saw. This one's playful and I feel like it just looks clean, especially in that color with all the different colorways colorways on it. If I do remember about Palace, I possibly will go for this come this Friday. This is a fire piece in general. I really do like that color on it as well. We do have a tri-ferg coming out. One thing that I must say is the fact that they're pumping out these tri-fergs like babies in quarantine, bro. They're just pumping these shits out left and right. I feel like it looks clean. It's okay. It's like a tropical vibe, but bro, hold back on the tri-fergs a little bit. We know that that's the money maker for Palace in a way. Come on, bro, like just hold up a little bit, let it breathe a little bit. Next up, we got this Palace peace and love and clothes etc. shirt. This one's cool. Honestly, I feel like it's a little bit on the cheesier side, but I do think it's cool at the end of the day. I do kind of like that dookie green, dookie brownish color which is on there, which isn't that bad. And last up for Palace, we got the Papitas, which is like the Palecitos Papitas, bro. There's like a chip bag on the front of a shirt. I'm good, bro. The flavor is Cool Ranch, and it's like these Palace chips inside of a bag. It's pretty cool at the end of the day, but I just feel like I wouldn't really wear this too much. I do feel like this is the back of the shirt though, so it would be more subtle on the front, which I would be a fan of. Low-key, that one could stay right there, and that does it for Palace. There is way more items releasing, but honestly, I'm gonna just cover those. Last week, we spoke about the fact that McDonald's is collaborating with Travis Scott, which is crazy. Apparently, he's gonna come out with like this sandwich, like a Sprite of fucking medium fries with barbecue sauce, and then this quarter pounder with bacon and a bunch of extra shit. I don't really know. All I know is that they're gonna give crew members from McDonald's Cactus Jack McDonald's tees for them to work with for the period of time or whatever, and somebody actually sold his shit for $600. I feel you, bro. Like, I low-key would have sold my shit and said I lost it. You feel me? Like, $600 is probably more than you make in 2 weeks at McDonald's, so they can't even be mad at you, bro. That's a come up. Low-key, that's 600 beans. Like, just buy yourself some Travis Scott sneakers and you chilling, bro. But that shirt, $600, definitely not, bro. I would not even wear that shit. I feel like it's just too much, bro. Like, that's some shit you stay away from. Like, you feel me? Just do your thing. I feel like the person who bought it because it hasn't released yet type shit. But I do feel like they'll release like a toy or something whenever the collab officially starts. We're probably gonna just have to look out on the Travis Scott website, or probably when you buy the meal, you got like a little toy with it or some shit. We have some sneakers to talk about, but before we talk about the sneakers, I do want to show you guys this little clip of what happened to Cool Kicks LA. I'm gonna play it right here. Boom, they crashed into the Cool Kicks store. I just don't understand, dude. Like, shit just keeps going left for them, and it kind of sucks because they give back so much. So like, why would people be hating on them when they do so much for the community? I really truly do not understand this shit. Major love goes out to Cool Kicks, man. It's some bullshit that keeps happening. I don't know the full story, but all I know is that I saw an SUV ram the store. That's all I saw. So I wanted to show y'all what happened. It's pretty crazy, honestly. The main sneaker release that I want to talk about in this video is these undefeated dunk lows that are supposed to release next summer. We do have like a color code or like a what they should look like type picture. I'm gonna put it up here for you guys. They're fire, bro. They kind of remind me of the Stussy dunks. I don't know why, but it's the brownish with the light color on it. I feel like these are actually bangers, bro. I do really like this colorway. I don't know how official it is, but this is from Pirates, and normally they're not wrong on these predictions, estimates, none of that. So I'm honestly looking forward to this undefeated dunk collab. They always kill it, so I'm really excited about this one. But we got a couple more sneakers to talk about, then we'll get straight up out the building. One of them being the off-white Jordan 4s in the bread colorway. I know I've covered these before. We are getting closer to the date, and soon enough we are gonna actually be seeing these release. Bro, these shits are hard. We saw a skater actually wear these and thrash them. They're rumored to release September 2020, which is now. They should release this month. Hopefully this month is gonna be a banger if these do release. Like, I don't know how this shit gonna go with these right here. They're fire, and we know resale is gonna be through the roof, but at the end of the day, will we have the chance to buy them? Who knows, bro. We got this Jordan 1 Mocha, which is supposed to release October 31st for Halloween. These do look fire, bro. At first I thought these were like the knockoff Travis Scott's, but the more I look at it, the more I could appreciate it as its own sneaker. It's like in this black toe format, and I feel like it's not that bad, bro. I might end up going for this one. I do do have 11 pair of Jordan 1s, and low-key I might just have to go for this one as well. The last sneaker or sneakers that I want to talk about in this video are the Casina Dunk Low collab. These are actually fire, bro. We got the Root 1s, and then we got the 80s buses or some shit like that. I love both these colorways equally. The ones on the left are like that light turbo green color, remind me of the menthols, and then this blue color right here is fire. I do love that little swoosh they put on the front. That just makes the sneaker look so much better. I don't know what it is, but these do look fire. We don't have no official news on when they'll release, but we have been seeing official pictures of them, so we might see them this year. Who knows? The way that they're pumping dunks out, we might just get breastfed some of these as well. Low-key, these are fire though, and I am excited to see what goes on with them. But if you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe down below, bro. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. I know you guys can help me reach my goal for 2020. Hopefully we could reach the big 20 in 2020. That would honestly make me super happy. If you can subscribe, go ahead and do it down below. Leave a like while you're down there. Let me know any kind of video ideas that you have that you would like to see on the channel, and I will get those out for you guys. But with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.